Hello everyone, this is Shraddha here from Creative Edges, and today I'm going to show you 4 gatefold albums. I made them in advance for different occasions and in different styles. So these albums are filled with a lot of embellishments inside and outside, as you can see here, and I'm going to open it like this. It is very beautiful album for a woman. You can give to your wife, your friend, any female friend I meant, and anyone you like, and on birthdays, of course, it is a birthday album. So you can paste a picture over here. I'm going to show you with the tag how you can paste the picture. So here you can paste the picture. Okay, and there's pocket as well. You can put the pictures inside the pocket. It can store around 15 to 20 pictures, and here as well you can put the picture inside it, and here as well. So I used vellum sheets as well and vintage style as well. I hope you like it, guys, this one. So if you want to book these, please contact me. The number is given below on the screen. So it opens like this basically. So I'm going to show you 3 more albums just like this one. So here we go for the next one. It's a love album, so you can give to your mom and dad on their anniversary if you want to give something with your gift. It's very budget family albums. These albums are really budget fan friendly, and here you can put the picture. I have this picture with me, so I'm going to show you how you can paste the picture. You can paste the picture over here on the tags. These are tags, so it can store also 20 pictures, 20 to 25 maybe pictures. So these are very beautiful albums, and it's very budget friendly. You can gift along with your gifts as well. It won't cost you much. So if you looking for these kind of stuff, please do contact me. There is number on the screen. You can WhatsApp me, and they are ready to go in stock right now. So do let me know. I hope you're enjoying it. So I'm going to show you next one very quickly after this one. So I hope you're enjoying it, and if you're enjoying it, please share with your friends and family as well. This is also a love album. It is also filled with embellishments, as you can see, outside and inside as well. So here you can put in the sides we can put the codes or the pictures accordingly. This is also kind of anniversary. You can give to your wife, or if you are a wife, you can give to your husband. You can also gift it on your parents' anniversary or your friends' anniversaries, or anyone who have an anniversary. As you can see, this album is really beautiful, just like others. And if you like this one, please do contact me. This is also in stock right now, so do contact me. The number is given on the screen. Okay, and let me show you one more time. Yeah, it looks like this, and from the other side, let me show you that too. It looks like this. Every album is having pockets, and these are very budget friendly. I'm again repeating that, so you can buy it anytime. So the next one is for especially a male theme album for their birthday. You can give to your dad on their birthday or Father's Day, which just went by, or you can give to your husband on his birthday along with the gifts even, because these are very budget friendly, and I kept it really elegant and simple. So you can put the picture inside as well. There's tags, there is pockets, everything is there. So you can enjoy these albums and fill them with lots of memories. So it's very beautiful, and you can also gift on Rakhi to your brother or brother's birthday or friend's birthday, any male friend birthday, anyone you can gift. It's really awesome album, and I hope you are enjoying this one as well. And guys, if you want to book these budget friendly album, just do let me know. The number is given on the screen, and if you take more than 1 album, so we will also give you discounts. Okay, thanks for watching.